So, see you tomorrow sa North EDSA, guys. See you tomorrow sa Acer U. Acer U. Bukas sa SM North EDSA. And thank you sa mga nandun sa Ready Party. Yeah, we stream Ready while drinking Pepsi. Hey. Ang sarap mag-A. Thank you, Bini Sheena, for making this. Inventor pala. What else? Yeah, Watson's, guys. On August 18, the P-pop concert, Watson's playlist. Then bukas Acer. Then Ready with Pepsi. So many ganaps. May filter. May ano ba? FX na gamit. Paano ko malalaman? Wala naman. Yeah. Ano pag-usapan natin? Yes, kaibigan pala. Mag-release nga pala ako ng kanta. Mga kaibigan ko dyan. Di na maalis sa isipan kong lahat ng to. Kape ka lang gumugulo. Maaari pa sabihin kung ano. Sinasabi ang mata mo. Graded daw ba yung mata ko? Ay, yung lenses ko. Hindi siya nagpasa ng project. Bagsak yung grade niya. Hindi na maalis sa isipan ko lahat ng to. Gabi-gabi ka na gumugulo. Maaari pa sabihin kung ano. Sinasabi na. Hey. 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 Ay, ang ganda naman yan. Greek god. May nakita akong video sa TikTok. Parang anak-anak kami ng mga Greek. Pangalan, sinong Greek ga sabi sa akin? Dermatitis. Greek anong god yun sa prosperity? Hindi prosperity. Demeter. Demeter. Ayan, sabi. Goddess of the harvest. Babae pala siya. Meron siyang daughter, si Persephone. Ako si second si Phone. Ano si Esnir? Maaari bang sabihin kung ano sinasabi na "42 guests. Nagsali ba tayo ng tao? Anong oras ako ihinto? Bago matulog, may ganap pa bukas. Hi from Brazil. Anong si Esnir? Si Esnir. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let. Hey Jude. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? Paano yun? Na-invite nila ako sa ano? Mama, kumusta na di na tayo lagi nagkikita? Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Gagano sila? Ay, gano'n. Dahil wow, my car. Dahil ikaw ang aking Hi, say hi. 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 Hi, Naya. Ang ganda ni Naya. Hi, Naya. Oh, nanahimik ka. Gusto mo yun? What's that? Gusto mo yun? Meow, 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 meow. Kaya kaibigan? Ba't niyo binabanggit si Esnir? Anong meron? Di naman kung lahat ng to gabi-gabi bumubulo. Ano daw? Join ka sa live ni Esnir. Paano? Paano yun? Mag-invite. May invite lang yung nag-view. How do I invite people to watch? Ay, paano ire? Dili man marunong sa may requesting. Oh, nakikita ko na. Go live with guests. 100 guests request. Hahanapin ko dito. Pakaraami. Sa baba man, wala rin. Ang dami. Ha? Paano? Rovi. Paano man? How do you do it? Teach me, teach me, teach me, teach me how. How the Carabao di batutin. Dali, para makatulog ako agad. Oh. Dahil may ganap pa bukas. Ano? Di ko alam paano. Di ko alam paano sa'yo ako hindi makatulog. Ito ang pinapa-A. Paano ba? Hindi ko magawa. Di ko maintindihan. Host. Ayun. Naka-request off siya. Ayun pala yun. Friends. Yes, naka-request off siya. Kaya yung nakita ko na ire. Grabe man viewers ni Yes, near. Famous. Almost 40K. Nakakahiya makigulo. How did it end? All the enjoy. Ba't sila gumaganon? Ba't nga sila gumaganon pag may nagsisend? I'm sad again. Don't tell my girlfriend. It's now it's made for. Sinulot. paano ba yun? Hindi ko naman nakikita ang mga tao kung kanino ako sasali. Mag-random tayo, hanap tayo ng makikigulo tayo sa mga taong wala. Naka-off ang ni Esnir, so we cannot join. Alright? Naka-request off. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan niya ba aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagang salamin, dapat gawin. Dahil ang puso'y napipili. Salamin, salamin sa dingding na sanang pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, pero bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin. Salamin, salamin sa takdang panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. See you bukas sa mga pupunta sa SM North. I cannot join. Acer U po ang meron bukas. Acer U and me and all of the people. Nothing to do. Good night, baby, good night. Hi.
Hi. Nice to
Hi,
meet you.
Justin.
Hi, Esnir.
Ikira kagana kong makilala ka.
Wow.
Justin, banasa pangawa.
Nice to meet you, Justin.
Nice to meet you.
Wow.
안녕하세요. 저는 저스틴입니다.
wow. 안녕하세요.
ganyan?
안녕하세요. 저는 원익입니다. Hi guys. I'm Wonny from Singles Inferno.
안녕하세요. 저는 비니미카입니다.
Wow. Wow. By the way, you SB19, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Really?
Yeah. But
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm also member of Beanie.
Oh.
Yeah,
really?
he danced Salamin.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. My viewers know Justin.
Yes.
Oh.
Wow, he's so famous. Oh, you.
Oh, sorry, I'm just talking to his cat. So that, yeah.
Oh, isn't here? Do you have YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, my viewers know you have YouTube.
Me?
Yeah.
Esnir.
Thank you.
Esnir have film.
Oh, what's your name, Tat?
Her name is Naya.
Naya.
Naya. Yeah, and she's in Heat, right?
Yeah.
Yes, because
Alam
I
mo,
know
ah.
that when that.
Oh. Oh.
Naya, Naya, I know why is her name like that.
Why?
Why?
Naya, pahinga muna. Sorry. Sorry. What is the Korean of sorry? Gomenasai?
Yeah.
Miyane.
Miyane.
Miyane. Yeah. Miyane.
That's right.
Yes. Actually, it's my first time meeting Justin too, virtually.
Now it's just first meet.
Yes, but we're friends here in TikTok.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. He's my bias in SB19.
Parang
Just
Uy, Mag-Korean ka
You know
din.
Korean?
No.
Oh, really?
Chukuman.
Wow. How do you know? How do you know?
Chukumanya? What's that meaning of that?
Konti.
Little.
Yeah, but you add yo? Chukumanya?
Yeah. Oh,
Para mas magalang lang ata eh, pag may yo.
Ay, ganun ba?
Sa atin, pag may
So parang po? So parang po?
Parang po. Oo.
Okay. Sana yo? So mas magalang yon. Kasi may yo eh.
I think so.
oh, Lucy, what's the matter, Lucy?
Why? What's happening, Monik? What's happening? Tell us, Monik, tell us.
Oh, now I can't watch my comment, but now it's fine. I think just lagging.
Oh, there's lag in Korea?
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Justin, by the way, nice to meet you. Do you know Singles Inferno?
Yeah, I saw it in the Netflix.
Oh, really?
Branded.
Ay. but my other member Josh, he watches Singles Inferno. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? I'm from Singles Inferno season 3.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, me too. I am single.
Wow. So I have some Philippine fans. Yeah. They like they said you know SB19. Oh yeah. So I know you SB19.
Oh really? Wow.
Yeah.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 고마워.
Yeah. I didn't watch this.
Justin, nonchalant ka pala, no?
Oh, wala nga masabi, nag-isip ako nung sasabihin eh.
Ano ba yan? Wag na. Eto, pagtripan na lang natin to. Charis, joke lang. Buti naman at nag-live ka.
Oo nga, walang magawa eh.
Nakita ko yung ano mo, yung parang pinost nila na, uy, paano ba yung makasali dyan kila Ate Myrna? Aling Myrna.
Nalayo ko na napapanood yung live niya eh. Boni,
Yeah.
our stylist messaged me. He said that that he likes you.
Oh really? Oh you Philippine people.
Who is that?
Yeah, his name is Rain.
Rain.
Ay, okay lang pala.
Oh really? Oh Rain. Hi Rain. I'm Wani. Thank you very much.
Hey.
And
Thank you.
Marami salaman.
Yeah. My friend also likes you, Wonik.
Oh really? Thank you very much.
Yeah, her name is Esnir.
Senior.
Yeah.
Okay, Senior. Thank you.
Hey.
Senior. Actually, I really thank you very much because you inviting me and we are now so friend and you introduced Justin.
Si Bakla naman, thank you so much. I'm happy too that we met. How do you feel that you met the one part of the famous boy group and the girl group here in the Philippines?
Oh, so I'm so touched, you know.
But I'm touched too. I watch you in TV and now you're in my phone.
Oh yeah. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your comment. So many my viewers asked Justin, please sing, please song.
Yes, please.
No. I think it is rude. No, it's fine. Yeah.
Oh no, it's rude. Is it rude, Justin?
Yeah.
Which
because
one?
You sing though.
I sing?
Yeah, is it rude if you sing? If we ask you to sing, or you have ratings for that?
Yeah, you should pay me first.
Oh,
Joke, no, I'm just kidding. No, it's okay. But I don't know how to sing. Esnir know how to sing.
no, I know. I just know how to rap, but I don't know how to
Oh.
sing. He has a nice voice.
Yeah.
Justin?
Justin.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
know, pwede mo magpad...
Can you song Gento for us?
Wait.
What's on the breakfast later? Mali-mali pa yung ano ko. Mali-mali pa yung ano ko.
You know Gento? Monik?
Sorry?
You know Gento?
Kento?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gento. Gento.
Gento.
Oh, I don't-
Gento. Dito basta-basta bingo. Need mo.
Yee.
What's that?
Oh.
Ano kaya mo?
Our song. It's other K-pop. Yeah.
Boys, other K-pop boys dance it.
Yeah.
Kento.
You should
Yes.
you should do it also.
Yes.
Kento? What is the Kento?
You should do it.
Gento ako. You don't know that?
Hey.
Pang basa sa ulan. Wala. See? You heard him. That's the sign of age, Trace. Of
Jinto, Genti.
Yeah. It's Gento.
Gento.
Oh, so Gento, Gento. No, actually I don't know well.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, Gento. Wow. Oh, by the way, Justin, do you know K-pop group well?
The old ones, but the newer ones I'm not so familiar anymore.
Oh, really? Oh. Wow.
Why?
No, because nowadays K-pop group is so famous in the world. So
Yes.
yeah, Israel also know K-pop idol. So I wondered.
And they also know me. Blackpink Jenny is my friend.
Oh, really?
Yes, actually.
They're best friends.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we are kind of similar.
Oh. Oh yes, yes, right.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Come on, arigatou
But
gozaimasu.
my viewers said Sharo. My viewers said
Maroon?
Sharon?
Charo.
Charot?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, but you don't said charot, okay?
Ah, okay.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Justin, sing for us.
What song do you want?
What song do you want, Wonik, for Justin to sing?
Very
Oh.
famous song here in the Philippines.
Yes, I want.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
You should know this.
Yes. That is the famous boy band here.
Oh, wait.
Oh, sorry.
Technical difficulties.
Yes.
You should, Esnir, you should sing the girl part.
Yes, we do it.
Yeah.
But
Sino naman ito? Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpaalam.
go.
Lalong-lalo na sa'yo. Dahil kahit saan ako magpunta, lagi mong hawak ang puso ko.
Aha.
Yeah. Hindi ko ginusto ang ilayo ako sa'yo, mahal. Ngunit ito
Yes.
ang disiso ng tadhana at may kapal. Alam ko din ako yung tatagas sa lugar na to kung saan wala ka. Kaya kulang ako. Hindi lang araw, hindi lang buwan, kundi ilang taon. Tayo kakakaya ko ba yon? Sa tingin ko, hindi ko kaya. Dahil ako'y mamamatay kapag wala ka. Wala ka na to sa aking tabi, kaya di na mapigil ang luha. Gusto kitang makapiling mayakap, mahalikan, yun lang di ko ba makuha. Dahil ilang kilometro at milya ang ating distansya at ating pagitan, kung ulila ko sa iyo ay ang itong resulta aking biglang paglisan. Yeah. Hey. 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 Hey.
Inisip ko kung bakit ganito ang langit. Nilayo ko sa'yo. Hindi ko matanggap. Ang hirap magpanggap. Na ako hindi bigo. Hindi bigo. Ngunit di ko rin inaasahan. Mangyayari to. Mangyayari to. Away, ala-ala na lang. Paano na ako?
Sa aking pag-alis habang palapit ng palapit, lalo akong nagtitiis at tinatago ang tungkot sa aking damdamin. Di mo lang alam, di ko na kaya, ko lang maamin. Eh,
Nagmahalan tayong dalawa, ngunit bakit ito'y naging plano ng kapalarang naging malupit? Ako'y inilayo ng eroplano habang ako'y nasa'yong papawid. Ako'y nakatining sa alapaap at iniisip na sa alaala na lang ba muling mayayakap?
Wow.
best vocalist that's near.
Wow. Thank you for all the song. Thank you for singing.
Yeah, so I saw you earlier. Are you hiding your laugh? Wonik, are you trying to hold your laugh?
No.
No?
No?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Kumawa, arigatou gozaimasu, itadakimasu.
Yeah.
잘했어.
Marami salamat.
Yeah.
Marami salamat. Yeah.
청만해.
Wow. Walang anuman.
Yeah.
Hindi pito.
Oh, Jane, hi.
Wow.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's your turn.
Your turn,
Show us your
yeah.
talent.
Oh, actually, I'm so sorry. I can't sing. I don't have any talent
No, you have.
because I'm realtor. I work at real estate.
Oh, okay. So like,
I don't have
it's
talent.
okay, but give us 2 condominiums.
Continue.
Charot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
If I go there in Korea, can you offer me 1 penthouse?
Oh, sure.
Oh, you're rich.
Yes.
Engineer. I'm not rich. Engineer is rich.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not rich.
Oh, really, engineer?
Justin is more rich because he is in boy group, right?
We don't have money. Esnir
Nah.
is rich.
Oh, really?
Of
Please
Wow.
contact me. Please contact me.
I'm rich. I'm rich of